Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select text from pictures in your Windows PC. This will work with Windows 11 and Windows 10. Just make sure your Photos app is up to date. If it is not up to date, you go to Microsoft Store and update it. So to copy text from images, all you have to do is to right click and open the image with your Photos app. So what you have to do now is to click on this icon at the bottom, scan text. As you can see right here, it has scanned all the text in this screenshot. You can now zoom in and select the text you want to copy. Or better yet, if you want to copy all the text, you can right click and click on select all text and copy them. I'll go and create a new document, as you can see right here. So that's how you copy and paste text from image on Windows. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.